Place collection vessels in HydraFlow and lay bottle holders atop the extraction ports. Set the front knobs to elution flow and rinse all ports with isopropanol under vacuum. Discard waste. Set the waste trap flow to organic and switch the front knobs to waste flow. Rinse all ports with isopropanol under vacuum. Wipe all surfaces of HydraFlow with a 1% bleach solution, removing any stains or residue. Wipe all surfaces of vacuum pump with a 1% bleach solution, removing any stains or residue. Remove the cap to organic waste and scrub with hot soapy water, followed by a DI rinse. Remove the cap to aqueous waste and scrub with hot soapy water, followed by a DI rinse. Disconnect all braided tubing and rinse with isopropanol. Disconnect all Teflon tubing and fittings from back of HydraFlow. Disconnect Teflon tubing and fittings from organic waste cap. Place all fittings and other plastic components into a plastic bag. Remove glass joints and rinse with isopropanol. Remove threaded cap and wrap glass joints with bubble wrap. Insert glass joints into top left section of HydraFlow box. Screw threaded cap onto collection vials. Insert collection vials into top left section of HydraFlow box. Insert bottle holders into top left section of HydraFlow box. Remove metal tray from HydraFlow and insert into top right section of HydraFlow box. Carefully insert HydraFlow into bottom right section of HydraFlow box. Once dry, insert aqueous waste trap into bottom left section of HydraFlow box. Once dry, insert organic waste trap with cap into top left section of HydraFlow box. Wrap and bag braided tubing and Teflon tubing and insert into top right section of HydraFlow box. Place bag of small parts into top right section of HydraFlow box. Insert vacuum pump into top right section of HydraFlow box.